and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all good. So for today's video I'm going to be showing you what I'm filling my kids' Christmas Eve boxes with. I've got lots of different goodies from different places. I'm going to show you everything I'm putting in there and then show you what it looks like after once they're in there. So these Christmas Eve boxes I made myself. I did a video a couple weeks back with Jess where I show you exactly how I make them. So if you want to go look at that, that's from a couple weeks ago, or I'll just link it up here so you can click on that. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm just going to quickly show you their boxes first. This is Eva's one. Hers has got a little sleigh with the bell, and it's got "'Twas the Night Before Christmas" poem on the lid with a little girl. And then Leo's one, I've got him a white one. He's got like little glitter stripes with a bell as well, Santa Claus, and he's got the red poem lid on the top. So that's both of their boxes, and these boxes are great sizes. I put in my other video when I show you how to make them, where they're from and everything, so if you want to take a look at that. Now I'm going to go through all the things that I'm putting in the Christmas Eve boxes. First off, sorry you can hear my dog's feet on the ground, it's just pacing up and down. Right, so first off I'm going to put in a letter from Santa. They're nice and easy to design on Canva. I talk about Canva all the time because I just find it really easy to design stuff like that on, then you just print it out. So in the Christmas Eve boxes I do put quite a lot of chocolate in because the kids just love chocolate, and I'd rather get them food than rubbish little toys that they're probably never going to end up playing with. So I'm just going to pre-warn you, there's a lot of like nice little chocolatey bits. So the first chocolatey bits I mentioned in my Poundland haul yesterday are these Smarty Chocolates. So they are going to be going in the Christmas Eve box. Another chocolatey thing that's going to go in the Christmas Eve boxes are these Kinder Surprise eggs. So they're bigger than the standard ones. I bought these from Asda the other day, and I think they might have been £4 each. But yeah, this one has got a penguin on and this one's got a snowman on. Another thing I'm putting in the kids' Christmas Eve boxes, which I think is just a standard thing that you have to put in a Christmas Eve box, and it is books. So Christmassy books. This was in my Poundland haul as well. I've got Grumpy, Badger's Christmas, and The Night Before Christmas. I feel like Christmas Eve box, you just need to put a book in there. Another thing I've got going in there are some nice Christmas mugs. So I've got this one for Leo, which is from Matalan. It's just a blue dinosaur mug, and it's got some chocolate, what are they called, like jazzy buttons, I think. Yeah, so that's Leo's mug. And then Ava's one is from Home Bargains, and it is this lovely unicorn mug. And I'm actually going to put some white jazzy pops in there. Next thing is a little toy for them that I know they're going to love. So for Ava, I've got these LOL ball squishies. I got these from, I think they were from Poundland. 2 squishy balls for Ava, and for Leo I just got him a Hot Wheels Superman car. He is obsessed with Hot Wheels and loves cars, so he will absolutely love that. And I know it will get used as well. It won't just be something that will have to be thrown away the week after Christmas. I got a little crafty something to put in there as well, which I know they'll enjoy making. After they've opened them on Christmas Eve, we can have a little crafty session. And it is these money boxes. So I've got them just in plain wood. Got them off a shop on eBay, I think. I can link it below once I find out what their name is, because I can't remember. Yeah, so just plain wooden money boxes, and then I've got some little pots of paint to go with them, and some rub-on transfers that they can have fun rubbing onto the money boxes. These are just pictures. I've got some letter ones as well, which I'm going to put in there so they can make their names out with it and just have some fun crafting. Yeah, they just love painting and stuff, so I thought that is something that they can enjoy, and then also they can keep after, put all their money that they get from Christmas in there or from the tooth fairy or whatever. Yeah, it's a money box. We all know what money boxes are for. It is to put money in, so they will love them. So the last thing that I'm putting in the Christmas Eve boxes is another edible thing, and it is these chocolate sleigh and reindeer kit. So yeah, it's just chocolate and you can make a sleigh and a reindeer with them. I've not actually opened them to see what they look like yet. I maybe should do that, but it's quite self-explanatory. Yeah, it's just chocolate pieces, and then you can put them together. And it says cardboard trees and presents included. So you can have a nice little chocolate scenery. So they'll enjoy making them, and then obviously you can eat them. So that's a bonus. Yeah, these are from Asda, and when I bought them like a month ago, I think they were only £2 each. So I thought that was a bargain. I almost forgot to mention these magic keys that I made. So I made the tag. The actual key is from Poundland, and then you get a pack of 2 for £1. And I just thought they were really pretty, nice and like glittery. They look really festive. And the tags I made, and I did a video on Instagram. If you go to my craft highlights, it will show you how I made them if you're interested. But yeah, they are going in there as well. So that is everything going in the kids' Christmas Eve boxes. The only thing that I might still add, which I haven't got yet, is some Christmassy pyjamas. I normally put pyjamas in every year, but the ones that I've ordered haven't come yet, so I couldn't add them to the video. That's the only other thing that I would maybe add to the boxes, and then they'll be completely finished. I feel like that's enough, and it's also some useful stuff there. Stuff that's going to be eaten and stuff that they're going to keep. And I mean, I can help them eat the chocolate if it's too much, so that's not a problem. Now I'm going to fill the boxes, and I'll show you what it looks like once everything's in there. I've put the stuff in there, and I might actually leave this like hanging out a bit, so when they come down and see them, they'll know someone's been at them, so they can get excited and know there's stuff in it. So I haven't wrapped them, but actually looking at it, I might do that. I might wrap them individually. Just got that stuff on top. Can be like the reindeer hay, that's what we can say. Yeah, and it all fits in perfectly. I also added a little cracker in there as well, because kids love pudding crackers, don't they? But no, it fits all nicely in there. Yeah, but as I said, I might add pyjamas still, and also I might individually wrap them, so it's a bit more exciting. I don't know, I'll see how much time I've got left. So with this stuff, like straw stuff as well, I might say to the kids that that is the hay for the reindeer, and then leave that out on Christmas Eve for the reindeers to have. Like, leave it out with the carrot and mince pie and stuff. That is the end of the video then. I hope you did enjoy it, and you got some inspiration of what to put in your Christmas Eve box or in your kids' stockings, whatever you use. As I said, I did a video of how I make these a couple weeks back, if you did want to have a look at that. Yeah, let me know what you're going to put in your kids' Christmas Eve boxes, because I've still got time. I want to add some bits. Like I said, I'm going to add pyjamas and then maybe wrap them just so it looks nicer. But I'm pretty much done. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you did enjoy it, and if you did, please do give it a little thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my other videos. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in another video. Bye!